My name is Terry. First thing I want to show you is tell you a little bit about our product called SunGold. SunGold, we've been in business for 40 years, but we've been selling it commercially. We don't do the household or whatever, but you know, every Applebee's, Fridays, Chili's, not everyone, but Applebee's, Fridays, Chili's, Ruby Tuesdays, Texas Roadhouses, we have thousands of different, places like that that use our product in the kitchen. I like to think that we're a little bit stronger, than the 409s, the Fantastics, the Mean Greens, and the OxiClean and stuff like that. Our product comes in a paste form, and this paste will just melt right into hot water. It just dissolves right into a liquid. You can put 2 tablespoons into a quart spray bottle, and it's going to look kind of milky, kind of cloudy, but that's all it takes is 2 tablespoons. One thing nice about the product, it is USDA approved, and we also have the NSF for the food safety, which makes it really nice for the restaurants and stuff like that. One thing I want to show, and I'm just going to kind of give you an idea on this pan right here, for instance. Most of our pans get a lot worse than this. If you've been in a business, you've seen them in restaurants, but this is what we have. So I'm going to spray a little bit on there. I'm just going to kind of let it sit there for a minute or so. But the product, what it does, it just breaks down that built up grease and stuff. Okay, and I'm just kind of give you an idea how fast and how quick this product works. You can see how it just breaks down that grease. It makes it real easy. I mean, it just cleans up really nice. I could show you a lot of the other things because we can clean the glass and the windows, the carpets and things like this. But it's the tough things that we've been selling it for the last, 40 years. The nice thing about it is, in a lot of our, say for instance, restaurants, they do all their own towels and linens and things like that. The same product we can turn around and just kind of use to give you an idea. If you have tablecloths, towels, things like that, it'll break that stuff right down. And it's not just made for the kitchens. A lot of our mechanics really like it. They get dirty, they get greasy. You can also use the product. We like to tell people to use it in place of a hand protectant. We'll take a little bit of this paste. I'm just going to kind of rub it on my hands and skin here, right here, for instance. Wipe it down, and it doesn't leave it oily or greasy or anything like that. But one thing which is kind of nice, and I put it on the inside of the hand to use it as a protectant. But you can tell how the ink will gather on the hand. But the side that I put it on, you get nothing. I mean, I'll spray paint on there. An hour, 2 hours later, I'll come back and I'll just wipe it off. But to the side, you can see how it'll write where we didn't have the protectant on. As for cleanup, the same product. We'll just take that stuff right off. I wanted to show you some of the hardest things there is to do. The windows, walls, floors, carpets, all that kind of stuff is neat. But we're an industrial strength product, and we need to get it out there to every person out there in TV land. So this is what we're doing.